All right, guys, welcome to the Wednesday direction video. Today we're wrapping up chapter 3. We're working on the last section, section 3.4, soils and vegetation. Um, like I said, not as exciting as like the extreme weather that we've been looking at the beginning of the week. So to kind of make this easy on everybody, we're just going to do a little reading on soils and vegetation. I figure you guys don't want to listen to an hour lecture. I honestly don't want to give an hour lecture on soil and vegetation, so this is the best of both worlds. So again, just got a little reading guide. It's only a few pages, as you can see. The quiz questions are going to come from the forest land section. So make sure I would put these key terms in your notebook. You can use it on the test. You know, what's the difference between the tree types, deciduous and contiguous? So make sure you have those down in your notebooks, these three terms for sure. Because like I said, this is where the quiz questions are going to come from, is this section right here. All right. And again, this will be another quiz question right here, the human impact on environment. And on the quiz, I believe I asked you guys for specific examples of how humans impact the environment. So make sure you read this one, maybe read it twice to make sure you have a couple of examples that you can use. And again, it would not be a video if I'm not interrupted by the bell or my phone. I think it's been 2 months straight now we've been interrupted on every single one. 100 and something videos, interrupted on every single one. Don't worry about these questions right here. This does not matter to us at all, because we're going to be using this worksheet right here. All right, so on a separate Google Doc, just have questions 1 through 8, or 1 through 9, excuse me, on there, and then just fill in the blank. Obviously, this one you're going to have 3 answers, so just throw some commas in there, right? Say for number 6, just throw some commas in there so I know your answers. If you wanted to, you could just answer these questions on a piece of paper. You could take a picture of your piece of paper with your answers, then just turn it in on Google Classroom. You guys know the drill by now. There's a million different ways to turn it in. You could print this off and take a picture and turn it in, or print it off and scan it and turn it in. I digress. But just make sure you have the certain stuff down in your notes that you need to. Again, we'll be taking the quiz next week, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so it depends what you're in. Obviously, online people, your quiz will probably be on Wednesday, but I'll let you know more on Monday and Tuesday what to look forward to. But alright guys, that's it. Watch the video, read the section of the book, and then answer the 9 questions, turn it in. Yeah, I've already highlighted the key points, so good luck everybody. I'll stop talking now.